Is it still doing it?
I don't know. Oh my god, she... She's just like bouncing.
Casually trying to ignore them.
Oh.
She's like, she's inflating.
Let me clean my foot while I got the hiccups.
Maybe we scared her, and that's why she has hiccups.
You scare hiccups out of people, not into people.
Yeah, but this is a hamster.
You can't scare people into hiccups. Or hamsters.
Are you sure about that?
Maybe. She's trying to clean her foot, but she just keeps fucking up. Okay. Ham has the hiccups.
Oh no. Did it stop?
Maybe.
She looks so chubs.
She is chubs. Oh, it didn't stop.
Well, I'm gonna get together her food for her food schedule. Let's see. Monday. You know what a cashew looks like?